Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hey, are you awake?
Mostly. Why?
I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's eat.
Check the fridge.
Okay, let's see. Opens door.
Well, anything good?
No, it's empty.
Empty? Really?
Yeah, completely.
Is there milk?
Just a drop. Sorry.
What about eggs?
None. Not one.
And the bread?
Actually, we're out.
Oh no, not today.
I know, it's bad.
I need my coffee.
No milk, no coffee.
This is a disaster.
It's just breakfast.
But I'm starving.
Okay, don't worry.
Should we go out?
To the store? Now?
Yes, right now.
But it's so early.
The store is open.
Well, you're right.
Get your keys.
Wait, where are they?
On the table.
Oh, found them.
Are you ready?
Almost. Just a second.
Put your shoes on.
I'm going.
It's cold outside.
I'll grab a jacket.
Hurry up, Mark.
Okay, I'm at the door.
We need 3 things.
Milk, eggs, and bread.
Exactly. Don't forget.
I won't, I promise.
Maybe some fruit too?
Let's stick to basics.
Fine. Just the 3.
Let's go then.
Wait, do you have cash?
No, I have my card.
Okay, that works.
Let's move. I'm hungry.
The car is starting.
Good. See you there.
Wait for me.
Hurry.
It's really raining now.
Yeah, welcome to Seattle.
Is the store far?
Just 2 more blocks.
My hair is wet.
Actually, it looks nice.
Stop it.
Seriously, it does.
Let's talk about food.
Okay, what kind of bread?
White bread or wheat?
Wheat is healthier, right?
True. Let's get wheat.
And the milk?
Whole milk for coffee.
I prefer skim.
Skim? That's just water.
Hey, it's not.
Okay, fine. 2 cartons?
1 small of each.
Deal. Now, the eggs.
A dozen or 6?
A dozen. We're hungry.
True. Big omelets tomorrow.
Oh, I love omelets.
With cheese? Excited.
Do we have cheese?
Let me think.
I think we do.
Check the list again.
Milk, eggs, bread. That's it.
Wait, we need butter.
You're right, for toast.
And maybe some jam?
Let's stay focused, Mark.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
Look, the store's there.
Finally, my feet are cold.
Watch out for that puddle.
Whoa, Jimps. Thanks.
That was close.
Too close. Nervous laugh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, just a bit wet.
The door is opening.
Oh, warmth, finally.
Grab a basket, please.
I'll get a big one.
No, just a small one.
Are you sure?
Yes, only 3 things.
Well, plus butter.
Okay, 4 things.
Ready to shop?
Ready. Let's find milk.
Aisle 1, maybe?
No, it's in the back.
Lead the way, Captain.
Found the milk.
Wait, which one is it?
The blue one, 2%.
Is it fresh?
Check the date. Yeah.
Good. Next item?
Eggs. They are over there.
I see them. Walks over.
Check for cracks, okay?
Oh, good idea.
Open the box slowly.
Opens box.
Are they all okay?
Wait, this one's broken.
Put it back. Take another.
Okay, this box is perfect.
Great. Now the bread.
Which aisle for bread?
Aisle 5, I think.
Let's go. Follow me.
Look at all these options.
Wow, too many choices.
Sourdough, rye, whole grain?
Just simple wheat?
Wait, this bread feels soft.
Is it the wheat one?
Yes, honey wheat.
Sounds sweet. Let's get it.
Is that everything?
Well, we forgot butter.
Right, butter. Where is it?
Back near the milk.
Ugh, let's walk back.
Exercise is good for us.
Not when I'm hungry.
Almost there. Stay strong.
Salted butter or unsalted?
Salted for the toast.
Found it. Grab it.
Got it. Anything else?
No, we have to stop.
But look, cookies.
Mark, no. Focus.
But they're chocolate chip.
We don't need them.
But we want them.
Maybe next time.
Okay. Oh.
Sad face. Don't look at me like that.
Like what? Innocent look?
Fine, put them in.
Yes, you're the best.
I know.
Let's go to checkout.
The line is short.
Perfect. We're almost home.
My stomach is growling.
I hear it.
That's everything, I think.
Yep, 5 items total.
Wait, where's my wallet?
You don't have it?
I can't find it.
Check your hoodie pocket.
No, nothing?
Oh man, is it at home?
I thought I grabbed it.
Check the other pocket.
Wait. Found it.
Whew, you scared me.
Sorry, it was at the bottom.
That's a relief, truly.
The total is $15.
15 for 5 things?
Everything is expensive now.
Yeah, especially the eggs.
Do you have the card?
Actually, use my cash.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I have a 20.
Okay, give it to him.
Here you go. Here you go.
Need a bag?
No thanks, we'll carry.
Are you sure? It's raining.
Oh, good point.
Yes, please, 1 bag.
Here is your change.
$5 back, great.
Let's go. I'm so hungry.
Wait, did we get bread?
Yes, it's in the bag.
And the cookies?
I have them right here.
You look very happy.
I love cookies, okay?
I know you do.
Should we get coffee too?
No, we have some home.
But we have no milk.
Mark, we just bought milk.
Oh, I forgot.
You're too hungry to think.
Probably. My brain is off.
Let's walk fast.
The rain stopped. Look.
Oh, finally, some luck.
The sun is coming out.
It's beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah, a New York rainbow.
Okay, enough looking. Home.
I'm running. Catch me.
Hey, wait for me.
Hurry up, Sarah.
I have the eggs.
Don't break them. Stop.
Smells amazing in here.
It's the butter and bread.
Are the eggs ready?
Almost. Now,
I'll pour the coffee.
yes, please. Lots of milk.
The milk is so cold.
Perfect for hot coffee.
Is the toast burnt?
No, it's just right.
Let's sit down finally.
This looks so good.
Try the eggs first.
Wow, so fresh.
And the honey wheat bread?
It's very sweet.
Is that a good thing?
Actually, yeah, I love it.
I'm glad we went out.
Me too. It was worth it.
Even the rainy walk?
Even the rainy walk.
Wait, where are the cookies?
In the bag? Why?
Let's have them for dessert.
Breakfast dessert? You are a genius.
I know.
This coffee is perfect.
Because of the milk?
Exactly, the 2% milk.
We should shop yesterday.
You mean earlier?
Yes, before we are empty.
Well, we learned our lesson.
No more empty fridges.
I promise.
Want another egg?
Yes, please. They're great.
Here you go. Careful.
Thanks.
Is it still raining?
No, the sun is bright.
Let's go to the park.
After we eat? Okay.
We can bring the cookies.
Great idea.
I'm finally full.
Me too. That was great.
Simple food is the best.
Actually, it really is.
Milk, eggs, and bread.
The perfect morning.
Ready to clean up?
Wait, can you do it?
Mark, no way.
Fine, we'll do it together.